You have to turn that camera off.
What's that?
Because you're putting federal agents' lives in danger. By taking those pictures, they can be posed and put us in danger.
I'm sorry?
By taking pictures of federal agents,
Uh-huh.
you're putting their life in danger, plain and simple, by putting it out that they can't do undercover work as well. You understand that part?
But they're not undercover.
No, they're not undercover at this time. It doesn't mean that they don't work under anything else.
I'm sorry, you just disclosed that they're not undercover. And
No,
I want to tell you something. I spoke to your boss.
Oh,
yeah,
great.
and your boss said that as long as I'm not interfering with your operations,
You're not.
I don't have a problem. And you said I'm not,
you're
right?
not.
So you don't mind
play
if
the
I...
mind game, but what I'm telling
It's
you
not
is...
a mind game. It's
no,
just,
you are. I understand what you're talking about. I'm not
fact.
going to argue with you. I'm not here to argue.
If you want to give
I'm
me
just
your
informing
card,
you.
I'll stop
I don't have a
filming.
card. I'm just telling you by what you're doing. No, I'm not.
I'm putting their
moving,
lives in danger?
Yeah, pretty much.
You think so, huh? What do they do? That they're federal agents. So what do they do? Are they undercover?
Right now?
No, but I mean, you know, we all know the practical stuff. People who are federal agents who are undercover.
See, you're learning. This is a lesson for you to learn. How fucked things up.
This is a lesson. This is America.
Yeah, I know what America's like.
No, I'm just saying, this is, you know.
Well, there's nothing that says they're federal agents.
Well, he didn't identify himself, did he?
Huh?
Did he identify himself?
No.
Did he show you an ID?
No.
Did he show any of you a badge? Did he identify himself?
You've got a lot of nerve. I compliment your integrity.
And
You're a genuine human being. I compliment.
what's going on here? Why don't you tell
I
us
don't
what's
really
going on
know.
here? This is one of our neighbors, and she's 90 years old, right? Something like that.
Oh, I heard she was only 86.
Right.
But she's supposedly getting evicted. She had there's a lot of I don't know.
And we don't know why, but the fact is that
evicted.
they won't even let her in the property to grab her own telephone books or just minor stuff, right?
I don't know. I'd like to make no assumptions. I went to journalism school. They say make no assumptions.
Let me take a look. And how many
What's
people?
happening here? Here we are in Santa Monica, America, California.
I know Sammy, he knows the whole
Gentrification.
story.
Where is she?
This
Where's
is
Leia?
He's right there. I'll get
This
over
is
here.
gentrification, elder abuse. This is gentrification in the process. And this is greed in action. This is greed in action. This is in America. This is what's happening. This could happen to you. You know, I'm worried. I'm worried for my own freedom, my own safety, my own integrity.
Hey Sam, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm good. What's going on?
They're trying to steal Amelia's life estate here. She has a life estate here. They got a fraudulent writ of possession from a corrupt judge in Massachusetts.
Is this a Massachusetts order?
Yeah.
For Amalia Kessler.
Life estate. It was probated. Here it is. It's in writing. She has a life estate here.
Only death can take life estates away, isn't that
Yeah,
right?
right.
And she's alive, right?
Yeah,
Where is
she's
she?
alive. There she is. Yeah.
Attempted murder. This could be considered attempted murder.
Yeah.
This is attempted murder.
This is phony writ of execution. How can you put somebody from your own house out of your own house?
Is the problem that she wasn't paying taxes? What's the problem exactly? What was the premise under which the judge made the order here?
Well, the remainder went into bankruptcy,
Okay.
and they had to liquidate this. But the remainder man had 2 different schools that weren't even listed on the petition.
Could you?
It's corrupt, you know.
Did the federal government possess court papers? Did they take court papers into possession? Refuse you and the lady the right to retrieve those papers from the property this morning? Do you have court papers in that
yeah,
property?
yeah, I
Have those
did.
court papers been sealed and confiscated by the government?
My computer disappeared. I had all the stuff in my computer. When I came, it was all gone. The bag was all empty.
They took the property, the federal government took the court orders and all the legal papers.
Right.
Are you able now to go to a lawyer? Do you have papers with which to show the lawyer what's going on in this case?
I don't have anything except
And
this. And a few other
does
papers.
Amelia have papers now that the federal government has seized those papers that are in the house?
Everything was in the house.
So the federal government not only seized the property but seized your papers.
Right.
And so even if you had a right to go before a judge and contest this,
Right.
you wouldn't have the papers anymore because
Right.
the
But
federal
they
government.
They have court records.
So we would have to rely on copies.
Right. And I had a case pending in 9th Circuit where I asked for a stay. And I had the papers right in front of me, but they wouldn't allow me in to show it to them. That's the guy.
there's Amelia. Let me get a picture of her holding her suitcase. That guy's a jerk.